back to iTrustStream, and today I got a fantastic video for you guys. iPhone 6s Pluses, 64 gig. I just want to say, yeah guys, so why am I so excited over 10,000 subscribers? Well, first, it's like the first little milestone for YouTubers, and it's like you get the community tab unlocked, and you know, there's features that you're able to have. Coming from me, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone that has been supporting this channel from the beginning.
Just want to say congrats on 40K. You're almost to 50, and we're definitely going to celebrate. We're going to make it happen. Wherever we got to do it, whenever we got to do it, doing whatever we got to do. So congrats on 40,000, bro. You've come so far, and you're going to just keep going farther. I'm so proud of you. Glad to call you a friend, brother, and can't wait to actually do some business together and take the world by storm. Congrats.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to iTrustStream. Today's video, yes, we're celebrating 40,000 subscribers, and I just wanted to personally thank each and every one of you guys at home that tune in and watch my videos on a daily basis. The viewers that click like on these videos, that comments on every single one of them, tells me encouraging things. Even when people say don't like the video, I can still see people in the comment section saying very encouraging things to me, and I just wanted to say thank you.
Yeah, September 1st, 2019, and it's our first time turning on the camera because we definitely want to document this. Sorry if our eyes are a little red due to the crying. We didn't lose anyone in our lives.
It's a happy thing.
It's we're gaining someone in our lives, and I think it's probably the first time we're going to announce to them.
We're going to say it out loud for the first time. We're pregnant.
We're pregnant, and this is the first time. Ooh, we got a goose.
We're starting a family channel, and we're gonna make a lot of money. That was not the case of what we were wanting to
I
do.
just want to say congratulations to my brother and the channel, iTrustStreams. Man, I knew you could do it. 100,000 subscribers, man. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you, man. I knew you would do it, but I didn't think it was going to be this fast. But keep going, man. There's so much more things to come, and you're growing, man. So we miss you here at work. Things aren't the same without you. But from me, your brother, I want to say congratulations, man. I love you. Keep going, dude.
Hey, what's going on? Just want to give TrustStreams a shout out. Congratulations on 100,000 subscribers. Wishing you 900,000 more subscribers. And it just feels like yesterday I was on your live stream going at it with Touchstone, and I'm like, who's this 27,000 subscriber pipsqueak? I couldn't stand it, didn't like it very much, but here we are a year and a half later. I consider you a brother, and I wish nothing but the grandest of success and happiness for you and your beautiful wife. Congratulations on the kiddo. Can't wait to be Uncle Gabe. But dude, you got this, and now we expect nothing less than just pure awesomeness coming from you. See you at Vid Summit. Is it Vid Summit? Yeah, we'll be at Vid Summit in LA. Yeah, listen guys, I'm tired. Anyways, I trust. Peace out, bro.
Guys, I'm Touchstone from Touchstone App and Tech Trends. I just want to give a congratulations to my little brother, iTrustStreams, and oh man, listen, I don't know if I should tell them. Should I tell them? You know, you guys want to know the truth, how he got here and everything, right? You guys want to know the truth, who helped him and all that? Because I think he thinks he did this by himself, and I just want to be honest with you guys. I don't want to ruin his reputation. He just reached 100,000 subscribers. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna say it. I just gotta tell you guys the truth. The truth is, Shannon, his wife, helped him. She motivated him. She had his back 100%, guys. And you know what? They're having a baby. Congratulations to him with 100,000. I just started playing around with him a little bit. I remember when I met him, he had 8,000 subscribers. Those 8,000 subscribers is now 100,000. He couldn't do it on his own. He knows the truth. He better say thanks to his wife. They have a new baby coming up. Congratulations, little bro. Man, I'm really, really proud of you. 500K is coming up next. After that is 1 million. I'll see you at the top, my brother. I appreciate you like always, and keep on doing what you do. Be honest. That's why they call you iTrustStreams. Keep supporting him. I know what I'm telling you. You guys are never going to be disappointed with him. Love you, bro. Catch the wave.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to iTrustStream. I hope you guys are enjoying your guys' day as much as I am enjoying mine. As you guys can see, we hit 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and really cool. I just want to give a quick shout out to my brother, my buddy Nathaniel, Touchtone, and Review Dork for sending me the clips for this video, and I just wanted to personally thank everyone that helped me put this little quick video together. It was something I've been wanting to do for a while. I've had this pictured in my head for almost 2 years now. I wanted to hit that mark. So we're gonna be applying for our silver play button from YouTube. I did message them. They said that they're gonna get the application started and get it all going. Our account is in good standing, so there shouldn't be any problems getting that plaque, which does take a little time for it to come in. But funny thing is that I came home from the Bay Area and I had this sitting outside my house, and it was really nice. My mom dropped this off and put some balloons out. She's one of my biggest supporters ever since I even started this, and just want to give a quick shout out to my mom for always, you know, sticking by me. And it's a quick shout out to my mom for doing that. That was really sweet. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So, you know, if you guys are into making videos for YouTube, I have a couple capture cards that you guys can use to get started with YouTube. So I thought that was really cool. I got a bunch of different other Mag device boxes that you guys can have, and also some remotes. I did order 10 Fire Sticks from Best Buy. I'm going to be picking those up. I wanted to put this video out, so I haven't picked up the Fire Sticks yet, but I did buy 10 of those. And also, real quick, I was going to take this back, but my wife suggested to give it to you guys. So this is a brand new 2019 MacBook Pro, slightly used. I did use it for a week because I wanted to edit on the go, and it turns out I like editing on here a whole lot more, but it's definitely brand new. It's only been used for maybe about a week, so I definitely want to do that for you guys. I was planning on even just taking this back to Apple. There's nothing wrong with it. I just don't want you to think that, oh, you know, I'm just gonna give away his MacBook Pro. No, it's just, I just thought of, you know, I don't use it, and someone else that could use it that possibly would love to start making YouTube videos maybe. So how to win this, if you guys click like on this video, comment below. I'm gonna go randomly. I'm gonna click on your guys' profile and private message you through YouTube. So there's no foul play. Last time I did a giveaway, there was a lot of foul play when it comes to people pretending that they won it and they really wasn't. I said, hey, email me. They saw the comment. That person made a fake profile, and I had to resend it to another person because that person made it seem like it was them. So anyways, I don't want that to happen. So if I go through YouTube and I private message you guys, so check your guys' inboxes on YouTube, because I will see that I messaged you, you send me your email, I send you the, I'll send you exactly what you won, and so I can contact you by your email address, so there's no foul play, people commenting their email address. Don't comment your email address, I'm not gonna contact you. I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna randomly select it. I'm not gonna get any publicity for this and make a video and this person won this person won that one. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna keep it personal between you and me, and I definitely want to do this for you guys. So again, I can't thank you guys enough, and for everyone that did help me out. And then I put in the beginning of this video that this community has changed over the time. You know, back in the day, there's a lot of people, you know, there's a lot of drama back in the day, and there's a clip from back in the day. I was gonna put it in here, but you know, I didn't even want to bring up that time. But there's a time where even Review Dork and Touchtone were going at it, and everyone else was going at it, and how I was doing the interview from way back in the day. And it's funny how now, you know, the people that used to butt heads are all working together, and there was that time frame where now us being all friends, it seems really, really cool. So shout out to Review Dork, shout out to Touchtone for showing me so much and for bringing me up, and pretty much showing me the ropes on YouTube. And that's something that I want to pass that knowledge to other people that want to pursue YouTube, because I never thought that I had a vision of what I wanted to do, but never really saw it ever really happening. I just was consistent and I found a passion. And now being at 100,000 subscribers, what does that really get you? If you're smart and you come up with a product and you're able to promote yourself, it's not just about ad revenue. It's about
about using your audience to be able to use that as a business. Other YouTubers do merchandise. People, they come up with clothing and sell it. People do music and they sell it. They come up with products and they sell it. And that's how you get successful on YouTube. From living in an apartment, working a day job, working in a warehouse, doing machine work, working on cars, to having a passion for tech. Within 2 years to being able to buy a home in Southern California, a beautiful home in Southern California, a brand new home. Not just something like, people have always told me like, you're gonna buy a used home for your first house. No, our first house is a brand new home. I bought 2 brand new cars. You know, I have a beautiful wife that loves me and stuck it with me even when we didn't have money. And that's true love right there, where I didn't have anything to offer her, and somehow, you know, we were best friends and we loved each other, and you know, we had, you know, we didn't even have a wedding, we didn't have a huge ceremony or anything like that. We loved each other. We just got married, and so now with all of this, it's super cool to see how this thing's grown, and being able to travel to meet other YouTubers. Now going to VidCon, it's a testament for where I came from. And I just want to pass on that knowledge to you guys. If you guys are trying to pursue your guys' dreams, this is just 100,000. I can't wait for 1 million, and to take pretty much everything that I've ever wanted to do and to be able to do it here on YouTube. It's a blessing. And now being able to be even into a place to where I'm having my first child and be able to even afford and give my kid a good life, like it's truly a blessing. So I just wanted to thank you guys as a viewer. So please, you know, click like on this video, comment below, let me know what you guys think. Have you guys been sticking with me for this long? Comment. I would love to talk to you guys for a little bit, and I can't wait to be able to pass some of this stuff off to you guys and be able to maybe help you guys start your guys' maybe IPTV services, or coming up with your guys' own apps to be able to sell to others and pursue your guys' dreams. I don't want to bore you guys too much. I just wanted to acknowledge the number, acknowledge where we're at, and to thank you. This is iTrustStream, and until the next video, I'll talk to you guys later.